Hey guys, welcome back. It is time for another Petit Vour Plus unboxing. I actually got this at the end of February, so we did get a February box actually. You guys know how this goes. We talk about last month's box, what we liked, what we didn't like, and then I'll unbox this month's box, and then we'll talk pricing. So I'm super excited about this one. Last month we got the Gold Faden Needleless Cream. It works good, I think. I've used it before. Same concept this time. It just made my skin feel tight. I don't know how it did like with actual like fine lines or anything like that because I really don't have that. And I think it worked well. I think it did what it was supposed to do. Also, the Moringa Shea Balm. I've used that before. It works great. It's greasy, so keep that in mind. But if you have chronically dry skin like I do, it is really nice, especially for like the winter time when your skin is just dying for some moisture. It really does help. I usually put it on at night, like before I go to bed, after I take a shower or whatever, and it usually is soaked in by then. The Upcircle face serum was fine. I didn't really notice anything one way or the other if it was doing anything. I do like a night cream and a face serum and stuff like that. It's just I didn't really notice any differences. And then the eyeliner pencil, I'm actually wearing the eyeliner pencil right now so you guys can see. It's an eyeliner pencil. There's not much to say. It is smudgy. Keep that in mind. It is a very smudgy pencil. The eyeliner pot and the brush, this is my first time using an eyeliner pot and brush. I usually use a liquid liner. Specifically, I really like the felt pen tip liquid eyeliner. But the brush and the pot, it was good. I think I just need to practice with it. It was okay. It took me a few tries to get a wing that I actually liked. So, but other than that, I thought it was a really interesting box to start the year off. So now we're going to take it down and unbox this month's box. Lord. You guys will have to excuse my cats and my daughter. My daughter's got a little cold, so she's coughing. All right. So we've got Momi. I've had one of these before. It's like a highlighter, I think. I believe. Which I think is funny because I think I got this last time and I didn't really care for it. But I'm going to open it up and take a look. Yeah, this is literally what I got last time. You guys have to excuse my nails. I had to rip off my nails and I have not fixed them up yet. But yeah, it's basically just a highlighter. It's in this cute little case that but it's like, last time I used this, it made my skin break out. So I probably won't use this, to be honest. Sometimes cream highlighters do not agree with me. So I use powder highlighters. All right, next we have the Upcircle eye cream. More Upcircle, guys. They really want me to use Upcircle. I got the Upcircle like a mask. I've got an Upcircle eye cream, an Upcircle night cream, an Upcircle serum. They're really pushing the Upcircle. But this is cucumber, hyaluronic acid, and coffee. Interesting. You guys know how I feel about eye creams. I'm not expecting much. We have another Fluency. I did not like this last time, guys, and I'm worried I won't like it again. Let's take a look at the color here. I am powerful. All right, so it's a deep brown color. I don't know about that, guys. I don't know about that. That's even worse, I think, than the last time. Last time they gave me it was a dark one that ended up looking a little orange, but it wasn't orange enough. It just was iffy in general. I don't know. We're going to try it. I'm going to try it because last time I was hating on it and saying it was never going to match my skin tone. And it actually wasn't too bad, but we'll try it. We have a Belle Pierre Peach Lip Mask. Okay, I love a good lip mask. So I'm excited to try this. I'm not a huge peach fan, but we will give it a go. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the ingredients here, because I think that's important for those of you that care about that sort of stuff. Sometimes I just get so excited about the products, I don't stop to look at the ingredients. This is for the Fluency. And this one is for the Momi. Okay. All right, we have another eyeliner pencil. Yay. Not really. But this one's from 100% Pure. We've had 100% Pure eyeliner last year that was like a brown. I did not like it. Number one, I don't really use eyeliner pencils. It's very 90s. I mean, I look okay with it. It's just, it's not my favorite look anymore. But blackest, at least it's black this time, so that's good. I don't know if you can even read the ingredients on here. It's so small. It's so small. But there is... Okay. And then, last but not least, Belle Pierre black eyeshadow. This is cool, actually, because this will go well with the stuff I got last week or last month. And I can pair black eyeshadow with a black eyeliner and just do black on black. That'll look nice. All right, so that's what we got in our box. Let's take it up and talk pricing. All right, guys, that was an interesting box. A couple of things. Number one, this one isn't a highlighter this time. This one's a bronzer. I don't use bronzer, but I'll try it, I guess. And the Belle Pierre pressed eyeshadow. I could not find this for sale on its own. It's only in a pack. So I'm like, in the pack is like a bunch of other things for like 20 bucks. So I'm just going to say it's like $5. Whatever. Okay. Pricing. So the Fluency, we're just going to put this on right now because, listen, I have to, okay, before anything. Not bad, actually. I really hate the smell. That smell. Why does it smell like how pennies taste? For real. I mean, it's not a bad look on me. It really makes my lips look really red, actually. It tastes like pennies. It smells and tastes like pennies. I don't like that. No. I don't like that at all. I can't, like, the color's not bad, actually. I actually don't hate the color. But it smells and tastes like pennies. I'm not a fan. Anyway, pricing. Blech. The Fluency was $25. Crazy, right? But it's a multi-stick, so it's supposed to be like lips, cheeks, eyes. Like, you can put it all over your face. The Belle Pierre lip mask was about $9. The eyeshadow, like I said, couldn't find it, so we're just going to say $5. The bronzer from Momi, $28 for this little thing. $28 for this. That's crazy. The Up Circle eye cream was $28. It's on sale right now for like $23 on the Up Circle site, so that's pretty cool. But that gives our grand total $95 for this box, guys. It doesn't feel like a $95 box, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even do the 100% Pure eyeshadow or the eyeliner. I didn't even look that up, so it's probably over $100 value for this box, which is great. That's awesome. It doesn't feel like it's that much because, like, okay, I'm excited about this. I'll use this. But, like, the eyeshadow, the eyeliner and the Fluency and the Momi, I probably won't use, to be honest. Like, I'll try them. Like, I just tried the multi-stick. I'm still reeling over how it tastes like pennies. But that does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you next month for our next Petit Vour Plus box. Bye!